Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Soundcore Sport X10 earbuds that were sent over to me for my honest review by Soundcore themselves. The unboxing experience of these earbuds is very simple and straightforward. Inside the box you get the earphones inside the case, and underneath the case you get a USB-C USB-A wire and the manuals, and then way right at the bottom are some extra ear tips that come in different sizes. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is the pricing and color options you get for these earbuds. So they are wireless Bluetooth earbuds. They go for $80 in the US. There's a black variant, which I have here today, an oat white variant, and a red variant. The main point of these earbuds is obviously for people who want to work out or are running a lot, or maybe just like being very active, and that's what these are mainly marketed towards: people who are very active and want earbuds that'll last long and have like water and dust resistance and will stay in your ear while you're doing all that moving, and obviously won't hurt your ears as well. And I think these earbuds do check off all those boxes. So they are very small and lightweight. They have IPX7 sweatproof and waterproof. These have 10mm drivers with 6 mics in the earbuds. If you charge them for 10 minutes, you get 2 hours of playback, and you have up to 8 hours with a single charge, so you won't have to worry about them dying mid-run or mid-workout. Overall, they have a total of 32 hours of playback when you put them back in the case. They have active noise cancellation and transparency mode. So you're getting all of these features for a pretty affordable price, and that's why I like Soundcore so much. They always offer competitive pricing for their products, and this one is no different. The next thing I wanted to talk about is the feel and comfort, and this is where my first complaint is going to come in. So they have wings to these ear tips that can rotate 210 degrees, but the thing is, for the wings you have to turn them to be able to fit your ear. So what that means is that they aren't really a grab and go earbud, because when you put them back into the case they're folded in on themselves, so you have to take it out and you have to do a two-handed experience where you have to flip the wing to the other side and then put it in your ear. Now, with that being said, once the wing has been turned 210 degrees and you put the earphone on, it is very, very comfortable and lightweight. I don't feel any digging in my ears after like an hour and 30 minutes of working out and stuff like that, and they are definitely snug fit to my ear. I did cardio, just normal weightlifting, and I had no problem with them staying in my ears no matter what workout I did. So when it comes to the comfort and breathability and weight, it feels very nice. I think these are great for that. But when it comes to how fast you can put them in your ear and put them back into your case, whether or not that matters to you is obviously up to you, but it is something to keep in mind when talking about these earbuds. Now, when it comes to the noise cancellation and transparency mode, I think it just gets the job done okay. It's not going to excel at either of them. I think it does have better active noise cancellation than it does transparency mode, and I don't use either of them usually, but when I did use them just to test them out for a bit, I did notice that the transparency mode did sound a bit weird, and the active noise cancellation was just okay. It did feel like a little bit of pressure on my ears when you do that, so I just opted to not use either of them. Now, the case of these earbuds is very small and compact, so it's easily put away inside your pockets, and you won't have to worry about it weighing down your pocket or anything like that, or being bulky. So the main thing everybody wants to talk about is how do they sound. Now let's get into that. These are meant for bass heavy enjoyers. So they do have their double bass, which provides basically a 2 times bass of your normal hearing experience. But then inside the software, they have another option that you can enable that'll boost the bass even more. Now, for me personally, I like a little bit boost in the bass and everything to sound like very dynamic. And what I noticed about these earbuds is because of that bass boost, with that 2 times bass boost that's more on the hardware side of things, not the software side of things, that it makes the sound a bit muddier, obviously because you're raising the bass, and it's going to sound a bit more muffled when it comes to the vocals and guitars and anything else that isn't bass. So what I would say is, in the Soundcore software app that it comes with, you can make your own EQ settings. What I would recommend to do is to raise the mids and the highs and to lower the bass like I did, and then it sounded a lot better in my opinion. Now if you like that super boomy bass, then these are definitely for you. Now that we're on the topic of the software, let's talk about how easy the software is to install and what the features you get with that are. So the main feature, like I just talked about, is the EQ settings, and you can do preset settings that they have available, or you can create your own EQ, which is what I did. They also have their new Breathe app, which is dedicated for these earbuds. It's sort of like a pre-workout breathing exercises that you can do before you start working out, which is very cool to see. You know, I didn't even think about this when thinking about earbuds, so it's nice to see them doing something different. Another good thing about their app is that when these earbuds come out, you can always download their firmware updates that they'll send over to your phone, and when you log on to the app and you click on the earbuds, it'll prompt you to update the earbuds if they have like a software update or anything like that that'll improve the listening or connectivity experience with these earbuds. You probably won't have any problems when it comes to the connection side of things because these are using Bluetooth 5.2, so that is also very nice to see. My last complaint is the fact that these earbuds have quote unquote buttons, and they have like an indentation on the earbuds, but they're not actual buttons even though they look like it. They're like touch sensors, but because they are not like flush, I really thought they were buttons, so I was pressing hard on them. I thought my buttons were broken or something, but no, they don't press down, which I think is a missed opportunity. I feel like having them touch sensitive isn't always the greatest when it comes to earbuds. They can sometimes not recognize your touches and stuff like that. These earbuds do come with that feature as well, so you have the touch to pause or touch to raise the volume, and you can change what each touch does inside the software as well. Overall, I think these are great earbuds for working out. I think they are great when it comes to battery life. They're great when it comes to comfort and breathability. When you're using these, your ears won't get hot, they won't hurt or anything like that. I will say that it may be a little bit longer to take out and put back into the case, but overall these are very solid, especially for that $80 price tag. If you order them soon, you will get that 20% off discount, so that is also a very good deal. I'll be leaving a link to them in the description below, and let me know what you guys think about these earbuds in the comments down below. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. On another note, I just wanted to say that if you are interested in talking to me or anything of that sort, I do have a Discord server with a link in the description below, but I also do now stream on Twitch for fun occasionally, so you always can follow me on there and see when I go live and just talk to me through the chat. If you have any questions about any keyboards or audio products or anything PC related, feel free to just talk to me in the chat and maybe I can help you out. Hope to see you there.